Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how to add a formula of currency on your Google Spreadsheet. The way how you to do it, first you need to open your Google Spreadsheet, and after that open your project, or maybe you don't have any project, then you can make a new project. And then for example, I would like to add this formula of currency on this price column. The way how I do that is just by block this two column and then click this kind of symbol on top of your screen, click it, and after that scroll down until you found dollar symbol, but this one is only for dollar currency, and if you use different currency you can click this symbol of number side here, then click it and scroll down until you found more currency, and then just by clicking it you can find a lot of choice of currency around the world, and now you can use the currency that you usually use on your place. After that, click it and back to your spreadsheet, and then type the nominal of the currency. For example, I would like to type maybe like $15, and just by click 50 it will change to $50, and this one will be $7 and it will change to $7, and that's the way how you to do that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.